Hello student, welcome back. I hope all are fine. Today we are here to discuss our third lesson of moral science. As you can see the name of the chapter, I love my family. Students, in this chapter we are going to learn about family. We learn more from this poem also, but before introducing this poem, I want to give a short introduction about family. So, first, what is family? Second, types of families. Third, members of family. So let's come first point. What is family? Student, family is a group of people living together. We all live in a family together. Family is an important unit of society. Why? Family is important in our life because they give moral support to us and teach us how to live in society. It provides love, support, and construct principles and values. So, students, family is the ultimate source of love and affection. That's why love of family is a natural factor in all human beings. So, family is called our first school where we learn. That's why we all love each other a lot. Now, let's come in second point, types of families. Student, some families are big, some are small, and there are mainly three types of families. First, a small family, second, large family, and third, joint family. We will learn in detail. So, let's come in first, small family. There are four members in small family: father, mother, son, and daughter. A family with parent and one or two children are called small family. They are happy family. You know why? Because a small family has less needs. That's why these needs can be easily satisfied. That's why small family called happy family and also called nuclear family. Now let's come in second point. What is large family? A family with parents and more than two children are called large family. Now the third, joint family. A family with parent, grandparent, children, uncle, aunt and cousin is called joint family. Understood, students? So let's come in third point, members of family. Students, in members of family like mother, father, parent, children, son, daughter, sister, brother, grandmother, grandfather, grandparent, grandson, granddaughter, grandchild, aunt, uncle, niece, nephew, cousin, husband, wife, sister-in-law, brother-in-law, mother-in-law, father-in-law. These are the examples of members of family. Understood? Now you can see in this poem we learn more about family. Through this poem, let's come in poem paragraph wise. We will learn, we will read, and then explanation. So in first para you can see, I love my family and my family loves me. We are happy to be together whenever it may be. Students, you can see this girl is expressing her feeling and saying that she loves her family very much and they also love her and they are happy to be together. Now in second para you can see, I wish them good morning with the morning sun. They wish me good night when the day is done. The girl is saying that she wishes good morning to all the members of the house and they also wish her good night when the day is done. Now let's come in next para. We help each other with the work in the house. But if they are not well, I am quiet as a mouse. Student, in this para, this girl is saying that we help each other, even if it is housework. If someone's health worsens, then I would be a calm like a mouse. Now let's come in next para. Grandma reads me stories. She has lots of them to tell. They all hug me tight when I am not well. Students, in this para, she is expressing her feeling toward grandmother. She is saying that her grandmother tells her a lot of stories. And when she fall ill, her grandma hug her. Students, as we know, grandmother is very sweet because she care for everyone, and she is one of the great inspiration for us. She is the most important wheel in the family vehicle. Now let's come in last paragraph. Grandpa is a doctor, so when I am sick with a bug, he treats my stomach and gives me big hug. In this para, the girl is expressing her feeling toward grandfather. She is saying her grandfather is a doctor, and when she suffers from disease, they treat her and give a big hug to her. Students, our grandfather is a very lovable person in our family. We all respect him a lot and and he loves and cares for us wholeheartedly. A grandfather has the wisdom of long experience and love of an understanding her. Understood? I hope you all understood this poem very clearly. So let's come in next page. You can see here this is a family chart. Let's read. A family can be big, a family can be small. A family is about love for one and for all. Students, family is not an important thing, it is everything. Being a family means you are a part of something very wonderful. It means you will love and be loved for the rest of your life. The most important thing in the world is family and love. So you can see here is three key points. Let's read. People in a family love each other. Yes, family is our first school where we learn many good things from our family. People in a family help each other. Yes, people in a family help each other. We must help our parents by doing small things for them. We should take care of weak and sick members of the family. We show love to our younger brothers and sisters. We show respect elder in the family. Now the third, when somebody in a family is sad, others try to make him or her happy. Students, when somebody in a family is sad, we should always try to make him or her happy, and we should always help each other in a family. Now let's come in exercise. You can see here is first question. How many people are there in your family? I have 4 people in my family. You have to write about your family. I am saying about my family. So second, who looks after you when you are sick? My mother looks after me when I am sick. Third, how do you wish each other in the morning? We wish good morning to each other every morning. Now the fourth, do you help other people in your family? Yes, we work together and always help each other in my family. Now let's come in second question B. Put a tick to show what people in a family should do. First, eat dinner together. Yes, we will put tick here. You can see I have done like this. You will also do. Yes, all family members eat dinner together. Second, celebrate birthday and festival together. Yes, we will put a tick here. All family members celebrate festival birthday together. Third, fight with each other. No, we can put tick here wrong. Why? Because family never fight with each other. Means family is about love. Fourth, greet and smile at each other. Yes, we can put a tick here like this. They always greet and smile at each other. Sit alone and cry when they are sad. No, wrong. When they are sad, they share their feelings with the members of family. And last one, take care of someone who is sick. Yes, we can put it here. They always take care when anyone's sick. Now let's come in next question. See, where do you live with your family? Write the address of your house. Ask your parents to help you. I hope you all know better your address. You can see here is hut. Inside this hut, you will write your address. I have already written my address, but you will write your own address. So now let's come in next page. Student, you can see here things to do. Who does what in your family? Write M for mom, D for dad, GP for grandpa, and GM for grandma. Pack your lunch for school. Either mother or grandmother. You write M if your mother doing or your grandmother. Like this you will read and you will write in front of this line. Now let's come in next page. Make a family with ice cream spoon. Use waste material, colored paper, cloth, button, wool, etc. to make your family look good. You can see here this is like a project work. You can prepare this. You have to use ice cream spoon and waste material. Like this you have to draw in ice cream spoon. You will do this at home. Now let's come in next page. Here you can see a family tree. You have to draw faces of the people in your family on the tree. You can see here space are given in the tree. In this you have to draw your family member faces. Either you will draw or you can paste a photo also. So this chapter is over. I hope you all understood this chapter, students. And I want to say, whatever PDF and written notes plan you are getting, you should must write and learn carefully. And one more important thing, if you have any problem related to any chapter or any subject, you can knock for it. Okay, we'll see you next class. Thank you.